Namaskaram everyone, welcome back to the episode, and we have Omkar Anna back with us. Namaskaram Anna.
Namaskaram you and namaskaram everyone.
Okay, so Anna, there is something that you messaged me yesterday, something very interesting. I think most of us ask this question, like, why me? I have done all these things and still why me? I think a participant asked this question to you. So could you tell us a bit about that?
So yes, just recently, like I've been teaching to a person who is paralyzed, like half side is paralyzed. She's been initiated into Shambhavi Mahamudra like long time back. Yes, that she is not practicing it so often, but however that she mentioned that she goes to temple and she does everything right for everyone. Now why only me that I have got paralyzed and I cannot do anything. I can't even walk. So everybody else is walking joyfully around me. But me, after doing everything, why only me? This is what the question she was asking. She was not able to come out of that thing. And me looking from the other side, I can talk in a very motivational way and I can try to motivate. But the reality is the person who is in the situation can know the real misery that they are going through. So I usually I did tell her that I understand that it's not easy to whatever Sadhguru is saying, or whatever we tell you, this is how it should be, and be joyful. Try to like all use the 5 rules as well. So it looks easy, but it's not actually so very easy for to incorporate you because you are the person right now who are going through that misery. So I 100% bow down and feel very bad about people who always get into this. But then the other thing I told her was, see, now you are into this situation, right, where you are not able to do anything. On the other hand, many people, they look happy, but are they actually happy, right? They are finding some things, like they have that misery within, but because they watch a movie or they go around with somebody and then they forget about it. So one thing is that she has like, even from my experience, let me go to that first. Even I got the same question that, why me? That even after doing everything right, even after thinking good for everybody and doing everything in the right way, thinking that, okay, if I do good, then the good should happen to me. So why this thing happened to me? And that was with me for 2 years. I remember even when I was doing my sadhana, it was there, not 2 years, 1 year. Okay, one and a half year, that question was with me, that why only me? Why this is happening to me even after doing all the right things? Then with there was a point where that sadhana went down because the confidence goes down for very less time, because I wanted to offer it to the people also. So I always had that one aim towards my goal, that I want to do it. So if I don't do the sadhana, definitely I won't be able to offer it as well. So but when I did my sadhana, I intensified my sadhana, I did more of this, more Devi sadhana. So all those things happened in a much larger way. And then while doing the sadhana, like especially I would say Surya Kriya, Yogasanas and Devi sadhana, so these things, suddenly it gave me that inner realization. I would say I just touched a certain dimension, and that wouldn't have happened if this did not happen to me. And then I realized that if I if I did not, I wasn't in this misery, because otherwise I was a very happy going person, right? Small things are there which you try to cover up with few other things which are around you. We usually don't focus on these aspects of our life where you are a superhuman kind of by yourself. So touching that inner core for myself, and then when I got into that experience through intensifying the sadhana, and then this question, why only me, which was making me cry, then that question become, why me? And the joy, the cry of joy, that what have I done so much that you chose me to give this experience. So this is what I told her, that this is how it should become, that you getting up and asking why, rather you ask yourself, how can I get out of this? Because even if the divine comes in front of you, if you ask this question to him, why, you will get an answer, but will that allow you to come out of it?
No.
That will not allow you to come out of it. Rather, what will you ask? You can ask how. Right? So how is the question that you should ask yourself? If you are a person who has done sadhana and you have some experience with Sadhguru, then definitely you keep up with that. If you are not yet started, then you ask how and you try to find the answer. Right? Eventually you will find this way, and definitely sadhana will help you in a huge way. But once that answers you, then you will understand. See what I told her, as I told her one more story. Let's say, for example, if I asked her, who is your superhero? Who's your favorite superhero? First, she told Shah Rukh Khan. And I said, not like that, not Bollywood. Like, let's say, if you know any Superman or maybe Shaktiman from India. So she said, okay, yeah, I know Shaktiman. And so I told, like, let's say if Shaktiman was here, okay, and he's living here without any problem, and he does not realize, he does not know that he is Shaktiman. Okay, so what will you call that person? And he feels that everything is fine. Okay, he's just living every just like a normal human being, but he did not realize that he is Shaktiman. Then she said, it's a waste of life, right? He's stupid.
Right.
So then I told, if you say that, and if you also say in the other breath that the source of creation is one, ya sabka malik ek, yeah, the God is everywhere, or whatever it is you call, everything is one. If you say in that one breath also, that means, don't you think that you are missing out the same possibility, right? Let's say I told her that, let's say in front of you, if you are not able to connect, let's say if there is Krishna, so she likes Krishna. So I told, let's say there is Krishna in front of you, and he's having all the other fun, but he did not realize that he is a super Krishna. So what will you call it? He said, of course, once again, the waste of life. So I said, the same possibility is there within you. And the people who are walking around, they did not realize, even we did not realize before this, that we have this possibility within us. But as Sadhguru, he has mentioned, see, if you don't understand, then the life has to need you, right? Then the life has to need you, and something or else is pushing us in that direction. And then you understand the quality, the inner quality that you have. Then is it a bane or a boon? So you won't get to know that, right? Because something has pushed it in this side. For that moment, definitely feel very miserable, and you will. That might be the worst thing that can happen in your life. But that roadblock can become a stepping stone if you have the right kind of guidance and sadhana with you. So with all due respect to the people who are going through this same question, definitely many people have this. Um, you know, if you feel miserable, yes, I also feel very bad for that. But you see how to convert that by question why me to how I can come out, and then that why me out of misery should become out of joy. Like what I have a, what I have done to so that you chose me, that I could experience this within myself. So this is one thing which I wanted to share, because there are many people who find it difficult to keep up their sadhana also. So something like this, I felt it will be very helpful for people, and also people who feel that even I'm doing so much sadhana and still I'm getting cornered or anything like that. So for those people also, it can be a motivation. So I wanted to share this experience with you so that many people could also benefit from it.
Thank you so much, Zona. Where can we contact you, and when are the upcoming classes happening?
So you can contact me on there is a Facebook page that we have, and my WhatsApp number is also there. Instagram also I'm there, but not so very active. So if possible, just on the Facebook or the WhatsApp number, which I will give you. And then the upcoming workshop is coming up on the last 2 weekends of October. So it is Surya Kriya, Yogasana, Sangamardana, Jalaniti, Bhastrika Kriya, and Bhutashuddhi is happening.
In
So
location?
the location is in Thane. So Thane, very close to the railway station also, and very close. If anybody is familiar to the place, then it's very close to the Viviana Mall. There is a very famous mall. So express highway also it's close. If you're driving, then also it's close. And if you're traveling by the train, then also the location is close.
Only flight is remaining. Airport is close to airport.
Then we'll have to. And they will have to drop there. Actually there is a place also. There is a central Maidan, like it's a big ground, is there cricketing ground.
Okay.
So where really good cricketers have played and they have gone. like I forgot his name. Anyway. But many cricketers from which who have joined Mumbai team, they have played over there.
Okay.
So that ground is there if you are planning to
Land.
buy a helicopter or if you are inspired by Sadhguru. So definitely. So thank you for bringing that up.
Okay, no, thank you so much.
Thank you. Namaskaram.